Boeing 521, your taxi to runway 12 via taxiway Foxtrot.
Roger, taxi to 12 via Foxtrot. All right, Captain, I'll handle all radio communication. You concentrate on the flying. Pull forward onto the taxiway, then turn right and taxi straight ahead to runway 12. Mojave Tower, Boeing 521, ready for takeoff. Test flight to restricted area 2521 as flight planned.
Boeing 521, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, Boeing 521. Ready when you are, Captain. Turn to the right onto the runway and let's go. Maintain runway heading. Climb and maintain 5000. Set flaps 10 for takeoff. Rotate. V2. Positive rate, gear up. Flaps up.
Boeing 521, contact departure.
Boeing 521, switching. Joshua departure, Boeing 521 off Mojave, climbing to 15,000.
Boeing 521, radar contact, climb and maintain 15,000. Proceed direct to the Edwards VOR. The test area begins 7 nautical miles east of the VOR. You are cleared to work east within a 25 nautical mile radius. Maintain from 13,000 to flight level 210.
Direct to the Edwards VOR, then we'll work east of the VOR as filed, Boeing 521. Okay, Captain, we're cleared to the test area east of the VOR. Proceed to the VOR, climb and maintain 15,000.
Boeing 521, contact Los Angeles Center, 127.1.
Boeing 521, switching, thanks. Los Angeles Center, Boeing 521 with you, climbing to 15,000.
Boeing 521, Los Angeles Center, roger.
Joshua departure, Python 592 out of 3,000 to maintain flight level 410. Python 592, radar contact, cleared direct to flight level 410. Python 592, roger. Lear 26 X-ray, traffic is 3 o'clock, 3 miles, an F-16 out of 3,000 and a steep climb to flight level 410.
Clear 26 X-ray looking.
Clear 26 X-ray, traffic no longer a factor.
Clear 26 X-ray. continue heading east toward the testing area. Okay, Captain, we're entering the testing area. Ready for the first stall test, Captain. Reduce power to idle and slowly pitch up to 10 degrees until the aircraft stalls. Captain, we're approaching the ceiling of our assigned airspace block. Stay below flight level 210 to remain in the test area. Initiate stall recovery procedure. Gear and flap extension test. Reduce power to idle and lower the gear and flaps on my mark. We'll reduce speed to 170 knots. flaps 5. Set flaps 10. Gear down and locked. Set flaps 20. Set flaps 25. Set flaps 30. Maintain 170 knots, raise flaps to 10. Maintain 170 knots for departure stall test. Flaps 10 ready for departure stall test. Add full power, hold pitch up 20 degrees until the aircraft stalls. Captain, we're approaching the lateral limits of our assigned airspace block. Turn west to remain in the test area. Initiate stall recovery procedure. Captain, engine failure number 4. You try to restart it, I'll notify Center. Los Angeles Center, Boeing 521 declaring an emergency.
Boeing 521, understand you are declaring an emergency. State the nature of your emergency and your intention.
We've lost thrust in our number 4 engine and would like to return to Mojave.
Boeing 521, proceed direct to the Edwards VOR. Descend at your discretion.
Back to the VOR, Boeing 521. Okay, let's head back to the Edwards VOR, Captain.
Boeing 521, contact Joshua approach now on 124.55.
Boeing 521 switching, thanks. Joshua approach Boeing 521 with you with an engine failure. Direct to the Edwards VOR and then Mojave.
Boeing 521, roger. Descend at your discretion and let me know if there's anything I can do to assist you.
Engine failure, number 3. We better get down now. I'll see if approach can get us into Edwards instead. Joshua approach, Boeing 521. We just lost another engine. Can we play it safe and land at Edwards?
Boeing 521, stand by. Boeing 521, continue direct to the Edwards VOR. Expect the visual, runway 22, approach at Edwards.
Direct to the VOR, Boeing 521. You get that, Captain? Continue flying towards the VOR. That'll line us up on the final approach course for runway 22 at Edwards. Captain, we're exceeding the maximum speed allowed for this test flight.
Boeing 521, the airbase is 7 miles southwest of the VOR. Report the runway in sight.
We have the runway, Boeing 521. Captain, that's the runway to the southwest. Let's get this thing on the ground.
Boeing 521, contact Edwards Tower now on 120.7.
Switching, thanks for the help. Edwards Tower, Boeing 521, inbound for runway 22, 2 engines out. Make that 3 engines out. Captain, engine failure number 2, just keep flying.
Boeing 521, roger. State number of souls on board?
2 souls.
Roger. Fire equipment is rolling and you're cleared to land. Runway 22. Good luck.
Cleared to land. We'll call you on the ground. Well, Captain, they've moved everyone out of the way for us and rolled the trucks. Just take her in as best you can. Can't be any harder than a shuttle landing, right?
Sink rate. Pull up. Pull up. Pull up. Sink rate. Sink rate. Pull up. Sink rate.
Boeing 521, welcome to Edwards. Glad it all worked out. Turn right next taxiway and taxi to the ramp.
Right next taxiway to the ramp, Boeing 521. Thanks for all the help.